Hello, the title of this tutorial is Create Bootable USB Drives in Windows with Rufus. Quick disclaimer to get this out of the way. By using this guide, you agree to hold harmless and indemnify X4 Labs and affiliates for any loss or damage resulting from its use. Use at your own risk. Respect all software licenses. Alright, first thing you're going to do is go to the Rufus website and click the download link. Your web browser should look like that. Easiest thing to do is to select the first link. You'll see that it's highlighted now, Rufus-4.11.exe. Click on it, download it. Now that it's downloaded, you'll click the download button here in Chrome. Click the executable. You may get a message from the Rufus program when it launches asking if you want to download some content that it suggests. My suggestion is click yes and let it do its thing. Where you see status, it'll say ready. As a demonstration, we're going to connect a USB drive, download an ISO file, and then have Rufus configure that USB drive stick. Once it's finished, the USB stick will be bootable. Connecting the USB drive. You click on File Explorer. You'll see on the left hand side at the bottom, our USB drive is D called SanDisk, and a part number after that. It'll be different for whatever USB stick that you use. If for some reason you don't see it and you already have a lot of drive letters set up, it's possible that you may need to assign a new drive letter. I'll post a link in the description on how to do that, and we will do it here as well. Click Start. Type Computer Management. This is what you're looking for right here. Click it. Computer Management launches. You'll click on Disk Management. You'll scroll down here until you see the USB drive that you inserted. It will typically not have a drive letter associated with it because they're all taken, for example. What you would do is you would right click on it like this. Go to Change Drive Letter and Path. Change from the drop down here. Pick an empty letter. We'll use E for our example. Click Yes. And you see it's changed there. We're going to change it back. Okay, we're ready to go. If you look in Rufus, you'll see Drive Properties Device. D drive is what we want. You have to be very careful and ensure that you are choosing the correct USB drive you want to overwrite and install the ISO to create your bootable USB to. So now that we know that is safe and ready to go, we will choose a sample ISO for this demonstration. For this demonstration and educational purposes only, we are going to choose the Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC IoT 2021 ISO, typically used to extend the support period for the out-of-band support Windows 10 operating system. Kicking off the download. Let it go, be back. Okay, the ISO is finished downloading. We verify in the downloads folder. There it is. Here's the D drive we're going to modify with Rufus. So we go back over and under device we verify this is the correct USB drive. We're going to go click select, downloads, click that to open. For modern desktops, laptops, and PCs, you will leave the defaults, partition scheme, target system. If you don't know what it is, just leave the default. Defaults for all the volume label, file system, all that. Then click start. You can leave those there. Then click OK with the defaults. There will be a status down here. Then you will get a warning about all data on the device being destroyed. Click OK. Only if you're sure, which you should be at this point. And it will go through the process of creating the bootable USB drive. Going to pause the recording and come back when it's finished. Just want to add this process of creating the bootable USB drive can take a long time. Like in this example, we have a almost 5 gigabyte ISO. So as you can see, it's about 3 or 4 minutes later, we're only at 35%. We'll be back when it's finished. Okay, we're back. As you can see over here on the Rufus application, the status is complete. If we go to File Explorer, click on the D drive, we'll see that it has created the bootable USB drive that we were looking for. In this particular example, we created a Windows 10 bootable media USB. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped. If you do need a USB stick, I have a link down in the description. It's an affiliate link, of course. Only post things that I personally use. Any USB stick pretty much will work though. Any comments, questions, advice, suggestions are all welcome if they are constructive criticism, of course. That's the end of the video.